Hey guys, so my name is Shri, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you the second step on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So in the last video we covered the first step, and uh, it would be really good if you guys would check out that video first, because I'm going to be putting these videos in like step by step, and I'm going to be covering one step by order. So you guys should really check that video out first before going to this one if you want to understand it. So yeah. And in the last video, what we did basically was we learned about the daisy here. This is how the daisy looks like. I'll have the picture of it on top, but basically we have the yellow center here, and we have these white edges around it, like this. So in this plush shape format. So that's what we got. And in this video, we're going to be learning about to solve the white cross, and also have the picture of that up here shortly. And as for some other basic things that we could cover, is we have the center pieces, edge pieces, and the corner pieces. So let's just dive into that quickly. And the one thing that we covered, like the first thing I covered, I think, was how you know like which side you're looking at. So here we have the blue center. This is the blue center. It's like the piece in the center, and you know this is the blue side because the blue this is a blue center here, and this you know what a side is based off its center. So this is the blue side, we'll say, orange side, green side, red side, yellow side, and the white side. So that's what we got. And then let's go on to the color opposites. So you know what color opposite you're looking at is because when you do the flip like 180 degrees. That's so here we have like 1 2, we flip the cube 2 times around, not like from the top, we do it from the sides. So here we have orange, and then we flip it, we have red. So that's how you know red and orange are opposites, because if you do this 180-degree flip, you have them opposite as you see here. And then and then you have these other colors. So blue, and then the opposite is green. So blue and green are opposites. Then you have red and orange is opposites. Then you have yellow and white on the bottom, and those are also opposites. So that's one thing you should keep in mind of. So we covered opposites, and then we covered the edge. We covered the thing. So here we one more thing we could cover is the centers, corners, and edges. So here we have the center piece, and we have the corner piece, and then we have the edge piece here. So yeah, and I'll have images on the screen right now, so you guys could check that out. And one more thing we'll have to learn about is the layers uh, of the cube. So here we have the layer facing you is called the front layer, and this is how you move it basically. And then the layer that's on that your right hand is holding is called the R layer, and this is how you move it. And then the one your left hand is holding is called the L layer. And then the layer on top is basically called the U layer. So that's basically all you need to know. I'll have images all on the screen for you guys to check. And it's really important to practice these things, because if you keep on practicing these things, you could like know like the cube at the back of your brains, and it'll be really easy to solve it really fast. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And today we're gonna solve the cross, and I'll have a picture of that on the screen right now. So in this video, uh, we'll be talking a lot about edge pieces in this video. So here we have the daisy, and then we have these pieces, these white edges surrounding it as normal, and we want to connect these white edges. We'll call these the petal tips actually. So here we have like these white edges, and they always have another color. So in this case, we have the other color is orange. In this case, the other color is white, and we have blue, which is the other color, and we have green as the other color here. And then we have red as the other color here. So yes, so and this, and you'll call the tip, the petal tip, you'll call these like edges as the petal tip here, and you'll connect these petal tips like these, this orange side. You'll move the you'll hold the top layer, and then you'll move the bottom layer, and this doesn't really do anything. So, and I'm just showing you guys by spinning it around a lot that this won't harm the cube or anything, just for you guys to know that it won't do anything to it. So then what you'll do is you'll move the bottom so much that it just forms like the petal tip connects to the center to make this line, as you see here. So and when it makes this line, you will, that on that side where you have that petal, this full petal, you have this line here, and then you have this white edge on top of it connecting. You'll just move that front layer, or the layer, just this layer where the petal is connected like this. You'll move it down, and you'll do a 180-degree turn, and then as you see, this is on the bottom like this. And you solve for one edge now, and you have to solve for the other ones. So here we have this side, we have the red petal, you could see here. So you'll move the side, you'll hold the top layer and move this side layer here. And here we got it. So now you'll do another turn down like this, 180-degree turn down, and now you've solved for this one. So now we solve for both the orange and the red ones. So, and then we have the this side now. We have green, we have the white and green petal. So you'll hold the top and then move the bottom as usual, and then they'll connect. And then that layer, you'll move it down like this. And this like formation could be anywhere. Like here, I'm holding it, this layer, to the right side right now. So you'll move the R layer 180 degrees down. Say if this layer was on your front where it's connected, you'll just do a front move, move the F layer. And the same stands for the right and everything. So here we have the last one. So again, hold the U layer, move the bottom two layers like this, and then you'll just do the 180-degree turn, and it's solved. This is how it looks like it's when it's solved, basically. As like the daisy, just ignore this piece, this corner piece here. Like if it's just showing like this, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, and we basically have this, make this white plus the, previously with the daisy, the center part was yellow, but this time everything is white, and we created the white plus on the bottom, and you have these sides, and they're connected to form this line and everything. So yeah, and that will do for like all the four colors. And yeah, this is basically how it looks like. So yeah, guys, and that's kind of it for this video. If you want to, like, I would recommend that if you could solve like the daisy and this in like 1.5 minutes, or like less than 2 minutes, I feel like you're ready to move on to the next step. And as if you keep on practicing like the color opposites and everything, you will really get good at this. So yeah, guys, and yeah, I'll have the timestamps so you could skip in the video if you want. And yeah, so thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and everything. And peace.